celebrated Father's Day last week, right? Last week. And tonight, we're continuing to celebrate the success of our partners, no? Sobrang nakakatuwang isipin kasi ito na yung araw natin. At ang una pong magpapaliwanag, ang ating presidente ng ating club, walang iba, kundi si Sir Warren Trinidad.
We will give you an opportunity to showcase your business, your profession, your service in our growing Premier Lifestyle Clubs.
So, without further ado, let's all welcome the owner of Little Legends Travel Agency and Car Rentals. Let's all welcome Sir MC Milor.
Only people would understand how the partnership works, gaano po agad na yung privilege. You would understand as well why individuals, entrepreneurs, families, big businessmen actually joins the movement ng Premier Lifestyle Club.
Let's all welcome our dental expert, Doc Aldrich.
Clinic, hindi lang naman bunot ginagawa natin, hindi lang linis. I create transformation. So kung gusto mo ngayon, bukas meron na. Kung gusto mo ng ipin ngayon, bukas meron na. Because I provide printing, dentures, crowns. So may mga ganun tayong mga high-end na po. Like we said, meron tayong mga hidden technologies. So meron na tayong ganun. Digital na rin tayo lahat. Marami tayong pwedeng pag-usapan. Kung gusto niyo gumanda, lalo, syempre, lagi niyo kinakausap yung mga tao, kailangan natin ng itik. Please smile. So I think very good decision na nandito kayo.
Sir Emmanuel Paraino of Money and Cash Food Trading.
Dito ko naranasan i-showcase sa buong mundo ang negosyo ko sa pamamagitan ng LLC. Salamat kina SP Warren Trinidad at sa lahat kung nagbuto ng club natin.
None other than Sir Dennis Sebastian.
Pero ako po'y professor sa De La Salle University. I teach marketing.
Ito yung company ko, no? Dice Consulting. Para matulungan kayo lumakas ang negosyo nyo. Nagbibigay po kami ng 20% automatic discount para maumpisahan natin, i-assess yung kumpanya nyo, kung paano po palalakasin. In fact, for people who are here, meron na po kayong free 1-hour consulting. So parang unti-unti yung mga negosyo nyo, kung gusto nyo tulungan, advisean kung paano palalakasin, pwede nyo po akong lapitan mamaya. Here's to more partnership every day. So mabuhay tayong lahat and God bless you.
Let us all welcome Miss Divine Magtoto.
Who said money can't buy happiness? Who said money can't buy sleep? We have it bottled for you. I created Divine Magic. So Divine Magic, it's a line of aromatherapy, roll-ons, and balms with cooling menthol and premium essential oils. PLC is about purpose, empowerment, and building a better life. So, naisip ko, in line with Divine Magic, we're here to support that through wellness, healing, and of course, negosyo.
Good day everyone, ako po si Benjamin Nang. I am one of the owners po ng Kangkong King. If you haven't heard about our business, nagtitinda po kami ng mga kangkong chips all around the malls like Robinson Manila, Robinson Galleria, and also sa Alabang Town Center and much more pa. And aside from that, we also sell our packed chips sa stores like Kultura, Tapa King, and also different distributors. So if you're also interested in doing business with us, open po kami to having resellers and distributors po. And aside from this, I'm now here at Premier Lifestyle Club. We're hosting events every Saturday. Invited po kayo. You're always welcome to join. Nandito lang po kami sa West Insula Condominiums po. Thank you.
Welcome to Premier Lifestyle!